back at it. The next day. Yeah. Got my water shut off valve right here. Yes, sir. So we officially got water in the third unit. You feel me? We're gonna put a tankless water here, right here. All we need for is wash our hands. Well, it ain't gonna be too much hot water in here. Already got the sink and all that snatched out. Oh, that's stinking out. It smell like boo-boo. It smell like boo-boo. What have we done? Go ahead and see what Darlene, she done pulled up at Fresh Start today. And you better believe she done already put in some work. Where you at, Darlene?
Once it comes up out of there.
Yeah.
So we got to make sure we have some rags and something to be able to catch some water. But I got it all unscrewed and it's ready to come up. And I can set this thing off.
Getting our plumbing. Yep. You ready for me to take? Oh, you already snatched it off the wall.
It wasn't heavy. I thought it was heavy.
No. Yes, so I got sinks. Yeah. Got our new sinks, pedestals, couple toilets. Get a little before and after. She in here snatching stuff off the wall. Let me do one thing. I ain't gonna give y'all a tutorial. Oh, you better make sure you turn that water back off. Oh, you turn the valves off? Make sure
Yeah, the valves, these are off.
Oh, okay. I'm just making sure. I ain't got no dry towel.
I think it's just water pressure. We don't have the water on.
That ain't good water. Well, let's resume. After that little
fiasco.
Mishaps. She a little wet. Now, granted, the plumber this though, but she wanted to do this herself, so.
This is money we saving, and I don't have nothing else to do.
Who in mama stop?
That's right. All right. Everything is unhooked. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. You got a bolt. We got a bolt. Let's see what size bolt that's going to be. It's right here.
Oh, it's right here. Big.
Oh, it's one big one on the back side. Come look up under this one big one on the back side.
I see.
That has a bracket. See that natural hair.
Well, we're resumed. Back to the before and afters. Alright. Plumbing day one. We got the sinks up and out of here as we closing out. toilet. Well, that toilet gonna stay, but toilet's up next. Go open that next. You still got water on or something here. Come listen to a whistle. Even the viewers gonna see.
Huh?
Come listen to a whistle. Something on. Come ahead, show y'all the finished results after earlier today's blooper, but she did good. She did good. Got it off. Look at her. We still got a little bit more to do, but overall, she doing good. You know, we ain't gonna mess with these toilets right now, but got the sinks. Get in here, hit everything with, clean these walls, hit everything with the touch-up paint once we get everything up off of there. She did pretty good for herself today. She really wanted to feel like she was a plumber. But she got her Super Mario's on today. See what Mr. Plumber doing. You got him back on there?
Nah, I got to get another drill bit. I ain't got them out there.
No problem, no problem.
And,
No problem, no problem at all. How much longer you want to be in here?
no, I'm ready when y'all get big. I just come out here just to see.
Okay.
Get the water in here.
Okay. Well, we ready when you is. We appreciate you.
Cause I know you got the road, rock the road.
Oh no, tomorrow I can get you a key. You come in here whenever you want to.
All right, D. Well, you pay about